Welcome to the world of discrete electronics. Step into a realm where precision and creativity converge, where circuits come alive through individual components working in harmony. Discrete electronics is the art and science of crafting systems, using standalone elements like resistors, capacitors, diodes, inductors, and transistors. Let us build sound-operated intruder alarm. When this burglar alarm detects any sound, such as that created by opening a door or inserting a key into the lock, it starts flashing a light, as well as sounding an intermittent audio alarm to alert you of an intruder. Both the light and the alarm are automatically turned off by the next sound pulse. This circuit is designed to detect loud sounds, such as breaking glass or a forced entry, and trigger an alarm. It uses a microphone to capture sound, a comparator to detect loud sounds, and a relay to activate an alarm, siren, or buzzer. Power supply. The circuit starts with a transformer, X1, that steps down the 220V AC mains voltage to a lower voltage, typically around 12V AC. This AC voltage is then rectified by a bridge rectifier, D1-D4, to produce a DC voltage. A voltage regulator, IC2, further stabilizes this DC voltage to a specific level required by the circuit components. Sound detection. A microphone, mic, is connected to a comparator, IC1. The microphone converts sound waves into electrical signals. The comparator compares the input signal from the microphone to a reference voltage. When the input signal exceeds the reference voltage, indicating a loud sound, the comparator's output goes high. Alarm activation. The comparator's output is connected to a transistor, T1, which in turn triggers a relay, RL1. When the relay is activated, it closes the circuit, allowing current to flow to the alarm, siren, or buzzer. Capacitors, C1, C11. These components are used for filtering and smoothing the DC voltage, as well as for decoupling and stabilizing the circuit. Resistors, R1 or 7. These components are used to limit current flow and set bias voltages for various components. Diodes, D5. These are used for protection and signal conditioning. LEDs, LED1, LED2. These can be used as indicators for power status and alarm activation. Stay tuned and keep learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel www.codingscientist.com.